All right. So in this video, I'm just gonna do a brief little introduction on how to start an Android project in Android Studio. All right. So you can either open an existing one or just do a new one. I'll probably just create a new one just for the example. So yeah, you can pick from like a couple different templates. You've got like the no activity one, basic activity, and all this means really is that you'll come with a template and I already have all this stuff. So like this will have a bottom nav on it, so you don't have to build it out of during like the app making process, or like you don't have to like code it or anything. It's already there. I think if you want to add more functionality though, you would have to do that, but like it kind of has it laid out, the XML files laid out for you, so you should be good there. Then I typically do empty activity just because I kind of want like a fresh slate. But yeah, feel free to pick any of these and try them out. I'm sure there's a lot of like useful things you could do with them and all that. I haven't used that one yet. This one looks interesting. But yeah, so I'll just click this one. I'll click next. Oh yeah, I guess it already brought me to it. And we'll title it, let me see, example 1. Just do that. This right here, the package name, so this area, whenever you're trying to publish the app, it will, when you're on the final process of doing that, and if you haven't changed it, like, so when you first make the app, it's gonna say that it's going to be com.example and then whatever the name of the project is right here, but it's going to leave this unchanged if this is your first time making the app, obviously. So yeah, you're going to want to delete this, put anything you want here. I just put AO Studio because that's just the name I use for my app. So yeah, you would just make sure to change that at the beginning. It's good to just get it out of the way, because then you won't have to get at that error. So yeah, change that. Kotlin. You can also change this to Java if you'd like. Either one. I just use Kotlin. So yeah. And then like the folder location. Then you just press finish. Pretty straightforward. Nothing crazy. And then yeah, you got your main activity here. This is just the stuff it shows. Like I'll bring you here. You got the. It's loading. But while we wait for that to load. Okay, here we go. So yeah, we have the XML file. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Oh, I know. Yeah, there we go. So this is the XML file for main activity, and then this is just the regular Kotlin file or class file for the project. So yeah, and then if you want to make a new one, you could just go right click on here. You could do new, either Java class, Kotlin file class. Yeah, so you would do stuff. You can usually add classes, which are the same as files pretty much, because that file will have like one class and everything will be in that class. So yeah, that's about it. Let me see if there's anything else. Let me go here. Oh yeah, if you go to layout and you right click on layout, you can make a new resource file, or just a scratch one. But yeah, this is for the one you want to do for when you make another XML file. So it'd be this one right here. You just make a note on that. So yeah, I'm trying to think what else could you add. Oh yes, so here, if we go here, this is where we put all our this is actually not where we put all our dependencies. We put all our dependencies in here. Yes, this is where you would want to add like anything that uses like your a database, anything like that. For example, in one of my apps I used Firebase, and I had to put a couple implementations for that, so I added them here. And then you would, and this is called the module. There's two files: build Gradle project, build Gradle module. They do different things. So yeah, it's just important to know that. And then let me just double check here. Yes, so you would put Maven files here, I believe. I think it's up here. I'd have to double check, but yeah, you would put a couple other things here too. I forget exactly what you need to put here, but usually what I use most of the time is this. But whenever you're adding like third-party dependencies, you add something here, put the dependency there, and then yeah, I think that should be it. And then obviously there's the manifest file where you get to change a little bit of what the activities or just what like the manifest does, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty much how Android Studio works. I'll try to make some more videos like these. I'm just going over like, I don't know, coding stuff, I guess. So yeah, I think that should cover about everything. Oh yeah, also run app. This is where you would select an emulator. I already have one installed, but I think when you first open it up, you'll need to like install one or just open one up. And so yeah, you would just do that, and then once it's installed, you run it, and then you'd go. In the next video I'll probably show my one of my apps I made that I put onto the Play Store. It's a little bit broken at the moment, so I'm working on fixing it right now. But yeah, I'll show that probably in the next video. And yeah, that should be it.